I'm the product specialist. I'm the guy that knows the product in and out. So they trust me. They know that if they ask me a question, they'll get the answer they need. So they don't see me as an inferior, they just see me as part of their team. Because in the OR, it's just one big team that we're all pulling for the patient. So they tell me what they need, and I make sure that that's provided to them. And if they have an idea, we collaborate on that idea. They treat me not, I mean, I haven't, that's the advantage of being a biomedical engineer, is that I can relate to them. They can talk to me about anatomy, molecular imaging, basic mechanics, networks in the hospital and how a certain software will communicate with another certain software. We can talk about a range of ideas, and I know exactly what we're talking about throughout the way. So they know that if they come to me with a problem, I'll get it done because I have the resources. And it's funny, but it all ties back to biomedical engineering. Today, for example, I was having a conversation with a radiation oncologist who was actually also a biomedical engineer. I've never seen radiosurgery before until today, and I was able to relate with the surgeon and understand every single step of what was going on because of that biology and technical background that I have. And it made for a really interesting conversation with the surgeon.